10 creative ways to illuminate your holidays with GlowPath technology. Add a festive flair to your Christmas celebrations with GlowPath Technology's unique all-surface glowstones and illuminating glow sand. Unlike typical store-bought glow-in-the-dark products, ours are crafted from glass infused with a rare earth mineral, ensuring a radiant and long-lasting glow. Elevate your holiday crafts and decorations with this magical touch that stands the test of time. Discover the joy of creating merry memories that will shine bright well beyond the festive season. 1. Solar-powered glow centerpieces. Craft dazzling centerpieces using transparent containers filled with all-surface glowstones and illuminating glow sand. As they soak up sunlight during the day, they'll cast a radiant glow in the dark. Enhance with holiday elements for a magical touch. 2. Sunlit flower vases with a nighttime glow. Elevate your floral arrangements by placing all-surface glowstones at the base of flower vases. The stones absorb sunlight during the day, and when night falls, they emit a gentle glow, creating a captivating display. 3. Twinkling table settings. Sprinkle all-surface glowstones along your holiday dinner table. These solar-charged stones will subtly light up your table as the night sets in, complementing candles and festive decor. 4. DIY glow snow globes. Fashion your own glowing snow globes by incorporating illuminating glow sand. The sand charges under sunlight, and when shaken, it illuminates the snowy scene inside, making it a delightful decoration. 5. Solar-lit ornaments. Transform your Christmas tree with ornaments that harness sunlight. Whether encased in glass baubles or part of handmade creations, all-surface glowstones and illuminating glow sand bring a luminous quality to your holiday decor. 6. Glow-in-the-dark wreaths. Weave all-surface glowstones into your wreaths for a unique effect. The stones collect sunlight during the day and cast a gentle glow, creating an inviting ambience on your front door or as indoor decor. 7. Radiant holiday woodworking projects. Incorporate all-surface glowstones or illuminating glow sand into woodworking projects such as luminous angels, reindeer, or snowflakes. Their solar-powered glow adds a magical element to your handcrafted holiday creations. 8. Glowing family keepsakes. Engage children in crafting a family keepsake. Mix all-surface glowstones or illuminating glow sand into a personalized creation that doubles as a nightlight, bedroom decor, or charming Christmas decorations. 9. Glowing advent calendar. Craft an advent calendar with a solar-powered twist. Embed all-surface glowstones behind each window or door, allowing them to charge during the day and emit a warm glow each night. 10. Sunlit fireplace mantle. Arrange all-surface glowstones along the fireplace mantle amidst greenery, candles, and holiday decor. Their solar-charged glow will add a cozy and enchanting atmosphere to your festive gatherings. From dazzling centerpieces to twinkling table settings, our all-surface glowstones and illuminating glow sand add a radiant touch to your festive crafts. Don't miss out on the joy of creating merry memories that will shine bright well beyond the holidays. For more inspiration and to explore the full range line of GlowPath technology, visit us at glowpathtechnology.com.